Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to do the first topic in chapter number 6, which is the definite article when it is used generically, the generic use of the definite article. So basically, definite article is used in, it has many functions. And one of the function it has is its generic use. So let's get started. So in the chapter, we have the first topic, which is the definite article, generic use. Then we have verbs, perfect tense, third person masculine singular, and third person feminine singular. Then we will study verbal sentences, and then we will study Idafa constructions. So right now, we are focusing on the definite article when it's used, generic way. So, in English, when you say the horse is a noble animal, it's singular and it has a definite article in English. It refers to class of things, not a particular horse. Horse in general is a noble animal. Horses is a noble animal. Again, if you can see, it's the generic use, plural plus without a definite article. So when you used it singular in a singular form of horse, it had a definite article. When you use the plural form, it means the same, but without definite article, which is the. It also refers to class of things. Use of article in English is restricted. It's singular noun only then when it has the in it, it refers to class of things and refer to countable things, not something which is uncountable like substance, mass, abstraction. So, for example, the wheel was their greatest invention. So it is countable. You can count the wheels. It is singular. These are the two conditions it meets in order to, for it to qualify as being referred to as class of things. All the wheel was, all like in general, wheel was their greatest invention. As opposed to sugar, which is uncountable. So it won't say the sugar is expensive. It will say sugar is expensive generally. We are right now talking in general, when it is referred to as class of things. Honesty, again, something which is not countable. It's abstraction, it's an idea. That's why you are not using the in these two things. So honesty is the best policy. So these are the restrictions in English that the when it is used in when it is referring to generally referring to a class of things, it will be with a noun, countable things, and it will be the noun will be in singular form. However, that's not the case in Arabic. So in English, general class of person or things would be like, for example, students in plural. When you say students, look forward to occasion. Again, all the students generally. Watermelon is good for you. Again, if you can see the watermelon, it's avoided. Watermelon is good for you. Even though it's not plural, it is countable, but over here there is a restriction in English language. Prices are high there. Okay. Now, again, abstraction. So you won't have the with abstraction, that is ideas. Bravery was their most admirable quality. Truth is stranger than fiction. Now, if you look at Arabic, the definite article refer to class of thing without the restrictions that English has. So whether it is singular, whether it is plural, it will have al in it when it is referring to class of things. Also, it is used with singular and plural, like I said, both. When it is referring to as class of things, it can be used countable noun and non-countable noun as well. Now, here are a few examples. After obtaining a degree. So over here, if you see obtaining is not as such something which is countable. It's more like, it's an action, you can say, and more like an idea, like acquiring something. It's look more like an idea. So badal husuli. So in general, after obtaining, a degree. So, this is what happens. You look for a job. So it is used in general terms, but it has al in it. Over here, if you see, in studying here. So again, studying is a kind of idea. في الدرا- uh, في الدراسة هنا. Again, you see al in it. Then again, after completing one's studies, بعد الانتهاء من الدراسة. Again, you see al over here with these ideas. So we can say that in Arabic, al does come when it is referring to something in general. So that brings us to the end of this topic. If there are any outstanding questions, please feel free to ask on the group, and one of us will be, inshallah, able to help you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.